Okay, I'm working in my customer's backyard here, and the first theory I'm going to attempt to make reality is that the crotch of the tree, we're going to try to put this eagle and mount it, and the crotch has this shape right here. Well, I measured from the side to the side here of the talons to see, well, how much of that crotch do we have to fill up with sculpture in order for there to be room for the claws. So basically, it's this much. So if you can imagine, this piece isn't here. And it might be a little wide, but I went wide on purpose because, you know, can cut more off. So I went this wide, and I'm gonna come this far down, and you can see the triangle right here. So what'll happen, I think, is I'm gonna cut the front of this off. I'm gonna cut down through here and here, but only back to this line here, because I want the whole back of the sculpture to still be there so that it will hang down behind the crotch in the tree and give me something to put screws into, and then I'll fashion it with the chainsaw and the angle grinder so that it's out of sight, but it's a good structural piece, and I'll try not to make it ugly. But that's the concept that we're going to go for now. And when I get through, hopefully, this will be, you'll see a triangle on a flat back. And we'll get started. I'm throwing sparks. I got oil. No sparks. I'll melt the tip right off of it. Gonna have to use a bigger saw. Okay, there's the wedge. So it's gonna sit down in the crotch of the tree like this. I'll have to do some trimming and chiseling probably, We'll see how it looks. I'm gonna climb up here and see how it fits.
You okay?
I am. We're gonna try this, see how it fits, see what else I need to do next. I'm gonna hook him up in there. Now, most of this will be gone.
Okay.
But what's left will be out of sight from that side.
Sure.
Because it's stability.
Yeah. That's.
Isn't that fun?
Oh my goodness, it's lovely.
So now, I think he's gonna stay so I can come around and get a good look at him from the front. You be still, Mr. Eagle.
He's big and bulky enough to stay.
I think so. Oh, cool. What do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
I was afraid the triangle would take away from it, but
No, I like the
it
triangle
doesn't.
a lot. I like the triangle a lot.
Okay, good. He's looking in he's making sure you're okay in there.